Today we have our grand opening. We have different events set up. Our main tent, which has booths with different sectors of our business and offers the customers opportunity to get more in depth with those topics. We have tours going all day, and we are showcasing all the capabilities, what our benefits are for the customers via service, parts, and sales.
It was a great tour and excellent building.
Facility is pretty impressive. Looks pretty state-of-the-art.
Just many amenities that make it a very desirable place to work with the heated floors and conveniences, the lifts and things like that.
I was impressed with the new facilities and how far CAT equipment has come and all the equipment you have here.
I think the big difference with Tonawanda is really a focus on the customer experience, where you walk into one of our facilities and it's pretty clear where all the customer-facing service support is right in front of you.
The building is unbelievable. The overall, just the organization of the shop is awesome. The robot and the parts storage is insane. The scale of it, I've never seen anything like it before.
We're a CAT customer, and we actually have been tracking this project for a few years now. As soon as we heard that CAT was coming back to Tonawanda, we were excited about it. We said, hey, we need to make sure we're out there to see what everything is all about.
SciTech has an event space out on our 2-acre demo area where they have multiple machines, and they are demoing the capabilities of all the equipment. We actually have their storefront inside of this branch, which is the first for Milton location.
We wanted to show off our products, but we also gave them a chance to see how the Trimble products really work and how easy they are to use. And they're like, wow, that really made it easy. I can't believe I was able to do that type of work.
I ran the skid steer with the blade on it. That was pretty slick. I ran the 336 and the tilt rotator. It's pretty impressive, the technology they got on it.
Just operating this machine what was amazing, the things that it can do automatically and allows the operator to be much more precise and much less time to get the job done.
Never seen a site where you can come and do all the things that you can here, where you can test the equipment, operate the equipment. That is impressive seeing that.
Every customer that I have met and worked with, they are blown away by the capabilities and are so happy that we're back in the Buffalo area.
It is important for us to have a location in Metro Buffalo. It's the second biggest metropolitan market we have, and so many of our customers are relatively small business owners that work within a certain geographic radius. And not being near downtown Buffalo, it was a challenge for us to reach those customers. So we felt we needed a location in the heart of that opportunity.
Kind of had high expectations walking into a brand new CAT facility, so everything definitely met the expectations that we had.
Milton CAT being around Buffalo, I think you'll see a lot more CAT equipment.